But this is from their artist series that they call Adonis Awakens. It's a beautiful, opulent, rich rose fragrance. Chestnut and rose working together, giving it this warm, almost woody nuttiness to a sweet, rich, opulent rose by way of raspberry and vanilla working together. And it dries down to a base of woods like cashmere wood and sandalwood. There's a little bit of this dark, rough edge to it that I think is a mix of the chestnut, maybe with the woods, that again almost gives it that roasted feeling, but it's rose, and it's such an odd combination that just works. I haven't smelled anything like this. I find it utterly addictive. I find it intoxicating in the air around me. It lasts and lasts and lasts. It is so elegant. I can highly recommend trying Adonis Awakens. If you want something unique, powerful, rich, it's a vibe. Incredible stuff. I'm raving on and on because I really, really enjoy it. That is Adonis Awakens.